Hello everyone, good evening. So this second part of this video on vector algebra, which will solve some more KCET previous year questions on chapter vector algebra. And in any other chapter, if you feel more difficulty, please write that in the comment section. Some important questions will be uploaded in the Sapience education application. Please solve our application. Here we shall start from question number 11 onwards. In the first part, we had solved till the question number 10. Okay. So in question number 11, it is told if I, J, K are unit vectors along the positive direction of x, y, and z axis, then false statement in the following is. Then here in the first one, summation I cross J cross K, it means that is I cross J cross K as J cross K cross I as K cross I cross J. That will be equal to I cross J cross K is I, J cross K cross I is I J K, K cross I is J, and I cross J is K, so K cross K. That is equal to 0 vector. So we have to find the false statement. So this is true. For the second option, that is the second option is I summation I cross J plus K plus J cross K plus I plus K cross I plus J. This will be equal to I cross J, J is K, plus I cross K, that is minus J, plus J cross K is I, plus J cross I, that is minus K, plus K cross I is J, plus K cross J is minus I. I will cancel, K will cancel, J and J will cancel. So this is also 0 vector. The option C, it is told I dot J plus K plus J dot K plus I plus K dot I plus J will be equal to I dot J is 0, I dot K, that is also 0, J dot K is 0, K dot I is 0, K dot I is 0, and K dot J is 0. So this is equal to 0. So C is also true statement. Then in the fourth option, I dot J cross K. So I dot J cross K is J dot K cross I, K dot I cross J. That is not equal to 0, since that is equal to 3 into I dot J cross K. So this is not equal to 0 or else. So this is not equal to 0. J cross K is 3 into I dot J cross K, that is I, that is equal to 3, not equal to 3. So therefore option D is the false statement. So D is the correct answer. Question number 12, it is told A, B and C are unit vectors such that A plus B plus C equal to 0, then the angle between A and B is how much? a plus b plus c is 0, so I can say that a plus b that is equal to minus. Taking the dot product with itself, a plus b dot product with a plus b is equal to mod a square plus mod e square 2a dot b is equal to that will be equal to c minus c vector dot minus c vector that is equal to mod c square. So these are unit vectors, so therefore magnitude of a that is equal to magnitude of b that is equal to magnitude of c, since all are unit vectors. Therefore I can say that 1 plus 1 plus 2a dot b that is equal to 1. 1 1 cancels, so 2a dot b that is equal to minus 1. Therefore a dot b that is equal to minus 1 by 2. It is equal to cos 120 degrees, cos 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Therefore the angle in between a and b is 2 pi by 3 degrees. Option C is the correct answer. Option 13, in question number 13 it's told question number 13 it is told that if a, b and c are non-coplanar, the value of they are non-coplanar, it means that a dot b cross c that is not equal to 0. B dot c cross a that is also not equal to 0. C dot a cross b that is also not equal to 0. So then this value is how? So it means it is a dot b cross c by 3 into b dot c cross a minus b dot c cross a by 2c dot a cross b. So these two are same. A dot b cross c is same as b dot c cross a. B dot c cross a is same as c dot a cross b. So these two will just cancel out. It's 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 that is equal to 6. Okay, 6 that is minus 1 by 6. Option C is the correct one. Two I cap plus 3 j cap, I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and lambda I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap taken in an order are coterminous edges of a parallelepiped of volume 2 cubic units, then the value of lambda is 1. Therefore, the volume of a parallelepiped having its edges, having its coterminous edges as a vector, b vector, and c vector is volume of a parallelepiped having its coterminous edges as a, b, and c is given as a dot b cross c. dot b cross c. So here vector A is given as 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. Vector B is given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Vector C is given as lambda I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. The volume is 2 cubic units. Therefore, A dot B cross C, that is equal to the determinant of 2, 3, 0, 1, 1, 1. Means we should take the components of A vector first and the components of B vector first, and then the components of C vector. Lambda 4, 2, that is equal to 2. The volume is given as 2 cubic units. Therefore, I can say, so if you expand this determinant along this first row, you get 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 3 into 2 minus lambda, that is equal to 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 6 minus 3 lambda. Therefore, minus 3 lambda, that is equal to 2 plus 4 minus 6, 0. So lambda will be equal to 0. Sorry, there's something wrong here. So this is minus 3 into minus lambda. This is minus 6 plus 3 lambda. This will be plus 3 lambda, that is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 2. So 3 lambda, that is equal to 12. So lambda is equal to 4. Option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 15, it is told the unit vector perpendicular to both these vectors is given as how much. So we know that the vector is perpendicular to the vector which is perpendicular to the vectors A vector and B vector is given as A vector cross B vector. Vector A is given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap. B vector is given as 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k cap. So therefore, A cross B will be equal to the determinant of I j k, the determinant of I j k, and 1 1 1. The components are 1 1 1. The components of B are 2 1 3. If we expand this determinant, this will come I cap into 3 minus 1 minus j cap into 3 minus 2 plus k cap into 1 minus 2. It will be 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap. And then the unit vector along A cross B, unit vector will be A cross B divided by the magnitude of A cross B. So therefore, the magnitude of A cross B, therefore now here A cross B is given as 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap. So therefore, its magnitude we have to find. Therefore, so the magnitude of A cross B, that will be equal to square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So that will be equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6, so root 6. And unit vector perpendicular to that. Therefore, the required unit vector is A cross B divided by the magnitude of A cross B. A cross B divided by the magnitude of A cross B. This will be equal to 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap by root 6. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 16, it is told if A, B, and C are three non-coplanar vectors and P, Q, and R are vectors defined by P vector is B cross C by the scalar triple product, means the box product of A, B, C. Q is given as C cross A divided by the box product of ABC. Means here the box product of ABC means the scalar triple product, that is A dot B cross C. And R vector is given as A dot A cross B divided by magnitude of ABC divided by the box product of ABC. The value of A plus B dot B. Therefore, I can say that A dot P vector is equal to 1. Similarly, B dot Q vector, that is also equal to 1. And C dot R vector, that is also equal to 1. And B dot P vector, B dot P, that is equal to C dot Q, that is also equal to A dot R, that is equal to 0. So I can tell the value of A plus B dot P, A plus B dot P plus B dot P plus C dot Q plus C plus A dot R will be equal to, that is 1, this is 0, this is 1, 0, this is 1, also 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Option A is the correct answer. Here it is told if A cross B whole square is A dot B whole square equal to 144 and magnitude of A is 4, then magnitude of B is how much? So this is magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square into sine square theta. But this is magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square into cos square theta. 144. Means that magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square, that is equal to 144. Magnitude of A is 4, so magnitude of B whole square, that is 144 by 4 square, that is 60. 2 9s are 144. So magnitude of B is equal to 3. Option D is the correct answer. The 18th one is, if I cap plus j cap minus k cap and 3i and 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram and the lengths of its diagonals are. The lengths of its diagonals are. Sides of a parallelogram. Let's suppose this is A, this is B. Lengths of its diagonals. So the length of its two diagonals. So one of the diagonals are A plus B. This diagonal is B minus A. Therefore, first we need to find, this is A vector and this is B vector. So A plus B vector, that will be equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap, 3i cap minus 2j cap. Therefore, its magnitude is the length. Its magnitude is square root of 3 square plus 2 square, that is 9 plus 4 over 13. And A minus B, A minus B vector, that is equal to I cap minus 2i, I cap plus j cap minus k cap minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap will be equal to I cap minus 2i cap, that is minus I cap plus j cap plus 3i cap, that is plus 4j cap. So here this will be minus I cap, then j cap plus 3j cap, that is 4j cap, then minus 2k cap. Therefore, the magnitude of A minus B vector, that is equal to square root of 1 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. That will be equal to square root of plus 420, that is 21, root over 21. So therefore, these are the lengths of the two diagonals. One is root 13 units and one is root 21 units. So option A is the correct answer. Then 19.1, if the volume of the parallelepiped formed by three non-coplanar vector ABC is 4 cubic units, volume of the parallelepiped formed by three non-coplanar vectors is A vector, is B vector, and one vector. A cross B is the box product of A cross B, B cross C, and C cross A. That is how much. So this will be equal to A dot A cross B dot B cross C dot B cross A. Sorry, cross. The volume of the parallelepiped, the volume of the parallelepiped, that is given as A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C is 4 cubic units. So then this value we have to find. So we know that A cross B cross C, A cross B cross C be A dot B into C minus A dot C into B. So here also this will be, therefore B cross C cross C cross A, that can be written as dot BC is B cross C dot C vector into A vector minus B cross C dot C dot A into C vector. So this will become 0. B cross C is a vector which is perpendicular to the plane of B and C. So this will be 0 vector minus this is B dot B cross A dot C, A dot B cross C is this. This is A dot B cross C into C. So this is actually equal to A dot A cross B into minus of A dot B this into C. A dot B cross C to C vector. This will be minus of A dot B cross C, which is our constant, into A dot A cross B dot, which is also equal to A dot B cross C, is equal to minus of the box product of ABC. So the volume is 4 cubic. Then the volume is 4 cubic units, therefore the value of this one will be square of 4, that is 16. So option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 20, it is told if a vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, 1 2 3. B vector is 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap. C vector is 3I cap 3I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. A cross B cross C. Alpha into A vector plus beta into B vector plus gamma into C vector. Then, okay, so we know that A cross B cross C will be equal to A dot B into C minus A dot C into B. Now therefore A dot B is that A dot B is gamma and minus of A dot C minus of A dot C that is equal to beta, where beta is the coefficient of B. Therefore A dot B, that is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 3. Therefore gamma is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus of A dot C. So A dot C is 3 plus 4 C, and so beta is minus of A dot C, that is equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. So this is minus 10 and alpha is equal to the coefficient of A vector, which should be 0. Therefore the final answer is alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to beta is minus 10 and alpha is 0. Alpha is 0 and gamma that is 3. Means that option B is the correct answer. And in question number 21, if A vector is perpendicular to B vector, A vector is perpendicular to B vector, it means that A dot B, that is equal to 0. And A plus B vector is also perpendicular to A plus MB, so it means A plus B dot A plus MB, that is equal to 0. Then M value is how much? It means that A vector dot A vector is M into A dot B vector B dot into B dot put A dot A, that is 1 plus 1 A dot B plus M into B dot B 0, that is A whole square. So this is m into mod b whole square. Therefore, m plus 1 into a dot b is equal to minus of m plus m b square plus a dot b is 0. Therefore, magnitude of a whole square mod a square, that is equal to minus of m mod b square. Therefore, m is equal to minus of mod a square by b square. B square. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. A, B, and C are unit vectors of like this. Therefore, magnitude of A into magnitude of B, that is equal to magnitude of B, that is equal to unit vectors. A plus B plus C, that is equal to A dot B plus B dot C dot A, that is equal to 1. It means that magnitude of so A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C is also equal to 0. Therefore, the mod A square plus mod B square mod C square is 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C. Therefore, that is equal to 0. Therefore, A dot B plus B dot C, B dot A will be equal to this plus 1 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. Option B is the correct one. Here you have to find the area of the parallelogram. The adjacent sides are these. We know that suppose we have a parallelogram, the adjacent sides are A vector and B vector, and the area of this parallelogram, area of the parallelogram is given as is equal to the magnitude of the A cross B, magnitude of A cross B. Therefore, here suppose here A vector is I cap plus B cap, and the B vector is 2 I cap plus J cap plus K cap. So A cross B, that will be equal to the determinant of IJK 0, 1. B vector is 2, 1, 1. That will be equal to I cap into 0 minus 1 minus J cap into minus 2, J cap into minus 2. This will be minus I cap plus J cap minus K cap. Therefore, the area that would be equal to the magnitude of this, magnitude of A cross B, that will be equal to root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, so that is root 3. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 24, it is A and B are two unit vectors inclined at an angle of pi by 3. Magnitude of A is 1 and magnitude of B is also 1, and they are inclined at an angle of pi by 3. Angle of 60 degree. The value of magnitude of A plus B, that is how. So magnitude of A plus B whole square, that I can write A plus B dot A plus B. This will be equal to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square is to A dot B. A dot B means magnitude of A magnitude of B into cos 60. So that will be equal to, this is 1 plus 1 plus 2 into cos 60, that is. Therefore, magnitude of A plus B square, so magnitude of A plus B whole square, that is 3. So magnitude of A plus B, that is equal to, it is obviously greater than 1. So option B is the correct answer. The value of this A minus B, B minus C. Value of this is equal to how much? Now, therefore, A minus B. So this is the box product, means scalar triple product. So equal to A minus B dot B minus C cross. This will be equal to A minus B cross C minus B cross A minus C cross C plus C cross A. Plus C minus B cross A plus C cross A. So this will be C cross C will be 0. So this will be A dot B cross C minus A dot B cross A plus A dot B cross A and minus B dot B cross C plus B dot B cross A B dot B cross A then minus B dot B cross A. So this will become 0, this will be also 0, this will be also 0, this will be also 0. So this is A dot B cross C. B dot C cross A also I can write as A dot B cross C. These two will just cancel out. And so option A is the correct answer. Question number 26, it is told if A vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, magnitude of B that is equal to 5, the angle in between A and B is 6, A vector and B vector that is pi by 6, then the area of the triangle formed by these two vectors has two sides. Area of the triangle formed by these sides. Therefore, the area of the triangle formed by two formed by these vectors as the two sides. Triangle that will be equal to half of the magnitude of A plus B. This is half into magnitude of mod A into mod B into sine theta. Theta is the angle in the chain. This is half of magnitude of A. Magnitude of A is square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9, so this is 3. It's 3 into 5 into 9 pi by 6. 5 by 6 means 9, 30 degrees. Half. It is half into 15. It's 15 by 4. Option D is the correct. Then in number 27, it is told that vector A is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. B vector is a vector such that A dot B that is equal to magnitude of B square and magnitude of A minus B that is equal to root 7, and magnitude of B vector is how much? Magnitude of A minus B is root 7. It means that if you square it, then we will get A dot A minus B dot A that is equal to 7. Therefore, magnitude of A whole square plus magnitude of B whole square minus of 2A dot B that is equal to 7. Magnitude of A that is square root of 1 plus square plus 2 square plus 3 square. That is 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So that is root 4. So mod A square that is equal to 14 plus mod B square minus this is 2 mod B square. A dot B is mod B square. That is equal to 7. So therefore, minus mod B square that is equal to 7 minus 14, that is minus 7. Mod B square is 7, so mod B that is equal to 7. So option D is the correct one. In question number 28, it is told that direction cosines of vector of magnitude 3 so the magnitude of the vector is direction cosines are 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. The vector is 2 by 3 to 3 I cap plus minus 1 by 3 into 3 j cap plus 2 by 3 into 3 j cap. This will be the 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 j cap. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 29. That 2A dot B is equal to mod of magnitude of A into magnitude of B. The angle in between A and B is how much? So A dot B, that is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B cos theta. Therefore, A into B cos theta, that is equal to mod A cos theta is equal to half. Cos theta is equal to half means that theta should be equal. Theta is cos inverse half. B is the correct answer. Question number 30, it is told that A and B are unit vectors, then what is the angle in between A and B? For root 3 a vector minus b vector to be a unit vector. So it means that magnitude of root 3a minus b, that is, it means that what is the angle in between A and B? What is the angle in between the vectors A and B? The unit vector sequence simply square them sides now. Square on both sides now. Then simply root 3a minus b dot root 3a minus b is equal to 1. So then you can say that root 3a dot root 3a, that is 3 plus mod b square. So here a and b are unit vectors. It means magnitude of a equal to mod b, that is equal to 1. So therefore, this 3 into mod a square minus this is 2 root 3 root 3 root 3 a dot b plus mod b square, that is equal to 1. So mod b is equal to 1, so 1 and 1 cancel. So then you can say that root 3 a dot b is equal to, that is equal to 3 mod a square. This is equal to 1. A dot b, that is equal to 3 by 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, a dot b, that is equal to magnitude of a into magnitude of b cos theta. Magnitude of a is 1, magnitude of b is also 1. So therefore, cos theta, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Theta is equal to a is the correct answer. So here we can end the part 2 of this video on vector algebra. The next part we shall solve from the question number 31 onwards. I hope all of you have understood the solutions of these 30 questions. So any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comments section. It's all about Sapience education applications, since we shall upload important questions on previous year KCET exam every chapter. Thank you everyone.